I got some pulling up at Arby's. That loaded mac and cheese. That's what we come to get, baby. That loaded mac and cheese. Stay tuned. Hey guys, at Arby's, we wanted that loaded mac and cheese. It comes with all kind of stuff on it. I just saw it online about an hour and a half ago. And they also got a spicy roast beef sandwich. We're gonna test it out and see what it's all about. Trying to order, but man, I'm on my phone, so I might end up changing the way I do my videos. So I had to go to camera. I don't have a camera, a brand new camera for almost 2 years. I never used it, but I like using my phone because it's easy. Anyway, neither here nor there. Pray you guys are doing well. Thanks for rocking with your boy and you beautiful people. Stay tuned.
Big guy, what's up? They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, and we be
Here we go. Smells good. Let's go ahead and unbag them. Got that spicy sandwich, roast beef sandwich. Got napkins. Thank you, Lord, for napkins. We got some horsey sauce. And we got mac and cheese here. All right. Two new things in one. It could be 2 videos, but hey, why not put them in one? Let's go ahead and see what we got here, guys. Here we go, guys. Please stir before eating. Should be the loaded one. I don't know if I said loaded or not. But the loaded one has the bacon, ranch, and mac and cheese. Okay. What the freak, nasty? All right, guys. It says stir before eating. Okay. I wasn't expecting for it to initially look like that, but stir it, mix it up. So I guess what they do, they go through, they cut up the chicken, because that's chicken. It says chicken. And of course the bacon. The bacon looks good. And you go from there. All right. The idea what it looks like here. So this is a loaded chicken ranch mac and cheese from Arby's. All right. Let's get this guy a taste. Hold up. I'll make sure that was what I tasted. Hold up. Hold up. To be very honest, this shit is good. It is really good. I mean, the ranch flavor in here is boom. And the chicken is good. It's nice and crispy. I wasn't expecting that. And the bacon is good too. It's not overpowering. It's not like oily. It's not dry either. So it's like that nice in between. Man, let's see another bite. Look at it. Make it look better, but I mean, the flavor is nice. I wasn't expecting that. It really wasn't. This is actually pretty good. Whatever adjustment they made it nice. A nice adjustment from the white cheddar mac and cheese I had prior. I'm thinking they took the same white cheddar mac and cheese and added the ranch, the bacon, and the chicken, which is a really good idea. This whole fork full, look at that. That is really good. It really is. Very impressed. Very, very impressed. I like it. It's still creamy. The chicken is good in it. It's the mac and cheese by itself, so I had to make the adjustment in the taste of the flavor of mac and cheese too. I think the ranch is doing it. I think the ranch is really giving it nice flavor. That's one last look at it. Yeah, really good. It look like a mess, but it tastes really good. All right, on to the sandwich. All right, this is the spicy roast beef sandwich. So what did they have? What did they do to this to make it different? All right, let's go ahead and break it down. Is that mayo? Oh, I don't like the bread being like that. All right, see the cheese, see the sauce, I don't see the lettuce. I don't see the jalapenos, but no, it is what it is. I don't think they gave me the right sandwich, but hey, we're gonna taste it anyway. Here we go. Whatever that ranch sauce they use, the ranch sauce is good. Inside look. I wish we had the jalapenos on it. But you know, roast beef with cheese, spicy ranch. It's not spicy, so I really don't think it's the right sandwich. I don't really have time to run in here and go get my, a corrector, but it is what it is. So this is what they're presenting, and this is what I'm going to be reviewing. So it's not spicy. I really don't think this is the right sandwich. So, all right, guys, we got to try the spicy roast beef sandwich again. So let's just chalk it up. This is what it is, and we're gonna go. Guys, there you have it. I don't think the sandwich was a sandwich, but the loaded macaroni and cheese is really, really bomb. Plus, so yeah. So I pray you guys are doing well. This is a quick video. I just saw they had it on the menu, grabbed it, let you guys see it. Glad I did put the macaroni and cheese, the sandwich. We'll do another video later. Maybe compare the Diablo sandwich that they have currently with the spicy sandwich to see if it's any different. So, but we'll see. Thank you guys for rocking with your boy. If you're here for the first time, please like and subscribe to the channel. And we'd love to have you join the family. I pray you guys had a great Christmas, a great, great Christmas. That God is continually blessing you. And see you beautiful people next video. Peace.